Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm driving the 2021 Toyota Camry XSE Hybrid, and this is new for 2021 for the Camry XSE trim to be available in a hybrid. So here's the startup, guys. Also, I want to thank Adam at Skylum Enterprises for providing this vehicle. His Instagram's down below. Beautiful daytime running lights. Look at this design, guys. It looks like shark fins. Absolutely awesome. Very large trunk. Spare tire. And we got here our all-weather floor liners. Fold the seats from here. These leather seats feel very nice, very smooth, very nice texture. We got our rear climate vent over here, but unfortunately no USB ports. Here's a view from the back. Here's the engine bay. A 4-cylinder naturally aspirated engine paired up with an electric motor produces 208 horsepower to the wheels. Front wheel drive connected to a CVT transmission. Blind spot monitors, and we got our blinkers over here. Inside we got our dashboard. Here are dashboard controls. We got our digital speed, which I really love. I really love the fact that it has a really nice big speedometer. The font is very big. Driving support, Android Auto, energy monitor. You got our little features here. Rear cross traffic alert. Forward collision warning. Lane keep assist. All these goodies. Our tire pressure, our pre-collision system, blind spot monitor, like I mentioned before, but this is a different view. And I'm sure this car has our eco guidance. Oh, here it is, eco guidance, and our fuel economy numbers, which this one is rated at 44 on the city and 47 on the highway. Just keep it on our speedometer. There you go. Sunroof. Or sun visors. I love that they have the LED lights here. Only this part extends though. And our dome lights are LED as well. We got our infotainment system, climate controls, our infotainment, but you don't really need much. You just need Android Auto basically. This car comes with it. It's not wireless though, you have to connect it. So let's just leave it on Android Auto. And let's take this for a test drive, guys. Do a little honk test. Pretty loud. And let's begin on Eco Drive. We have Eco, Normal, and Sport, and EV mode. Our hold mode here, and our emergency parking brake. This is fairly large. 2 USB ports, regular USB and USB Type-C. Oh yeah, and this has a wireless charging as well. It has a little compartment here too. Let's test the wireless charging. Works instant. Just connect it back to Android Auto. Reverse camera. Not the best resolution, but I love the trajectory lines. Just to show you guys how our seatbelt warning sign notification sounds. And it gets louder as you maintain without your seatbelt the longer. So this car drives very smooth, guys. Very, very smooth. No road noise at all. throttle response feels delayed because it's on eco mode. But let's try it on sport now. Try a little 0 to 60 here. It gets there pretty quick, guys. It's definitely not slow for a Toyota Camry. And this is just the 4-cylinder. See how it handles this corner. A little bit of wheel spin there. Awesome. Let's try one more acceleration. This car is pretty nice. I like it. Awesome, guys. Alright, let's go back on eco mode now. Let's try our lane keep assist. Right here on this upcoming bend right here, I'm gonna engage the cruise control. And steering assist. Alright guys, let's test the audio system. The audio sound system sounds very nice, guys. Very rich bass. And this doesn't have the JBL premium sound system, and it still sounds amazing. And I'm going to wrap the video there, guys. I appreciate the time that you guys take for watching my videos. And let's do a little reverse parking. Thanks for watching, guys.